Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows laptop. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Windows tips like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here from your Windows Start menu right here. Right click on it. And after right click on it, this is going to pop up. Then click on settings right here. Click on settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to devices right here. Click on devices. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, under Bluetooth and other devices, here you can simply click on this plus sign right here. This allows you to add a new Bluetooth device. So when you click on that, then you have options right here. Then you can add a new, and when you click on that, this is going to pop up. Here, add a device. Choose the kind of device you want to add: Bluetooth, mouse, keyboard, pens, or audio, and other kind of Bluetooth device. So this section right here, if you have a Bluetooth speaker, you have to choose this one. If you have a keyboard that uses Bluetooth, you have to choose this particular options right here. If that is not what you are looking for, then you can switch to wireless display or dock. Wireless monitor, TV, pair your PC, and the use of Miracast or wireless dock. Here, if you want to connect your PC with your TV, so you have to choose this particular options right here. It's that simple. So once you choose any of the device options right here, then you'll be asked to connect, and then you on the Bluetooth. Lastly, you have to make sure you come down right here and make sure you turn on this particular Bluetooth button right here. It's that simple. Once you turn it on, it will begin to search for the Bluetooth. Then you can pair the two apps together. Whether you want to pair your Bluetooth speaker with your PC or your TV or what have you. So this is just a simple process on how you turn on your Bluetooth and how you can pair the device via Bluetooth and laptop. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.